IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you prefer shopping alone or with others? Band 5. Answer.
I prefer shopping alone because I don't need to wait for other people. It is more simple for me.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple and short ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary. Grammar, mostly simple structures. Pronunciation, understandable but not detailed or expressive. Typical of Band 5, communicates basic ideas with limited range and development. Band 7.5 Answer.
I generally prefer shopping alone because I can focus on what I actually need, rather than getting distracted or pressured by others' opinions. However, for big purchases like furniture, I might ask a friend for advice.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-developed and logical. Lexical resource, variety, e.g., distracted, pressured, big purchases. Grammar, complex structures with accuracy. Pronunciation, clear natural rhythm. Typical of Band 7.5, flexible, detailed, good control but not perfect. Band 9 Answer.
I much prefer shopping independently, mainly because I can move at my own pace and make decisions without unnecessary input. That said, I occasionally enjoy shopping with close friends when the experience is more social than practical.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully natural, nuanced, and sophisticated. Lexical resource, precise and varied. Independently, unnecessary input, social rather than practical. Grammar, complex, accurate with effortless control. Pronunciation, native-like flow and intonation. Typical of Band 9, expert control and nuance. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.